This quick video going over how to bypass this 1,000 row limit in Google Search Console. Um, so in some cases with larger websites, when we're in Google Search Console, we can be pretty limited with the keywords that we want to look at. And whether you're exporting your data or if you just want to look in Google Search Console, you're normally either limited to just 500 rows, or if you're exporting your keyword data, you're almost always going to be pretty limited with those 1,000 rows. And like I said, with larger websites, well, it only shows 1,000 rows. Typically, these websites will have like double that amount that you can access. So in the case of this website, I only have access to 1,000 in Google Search Console. But if I want to extract the full keyword data, this number actually goes up to closer to 30,000. So I'll have a lot more access to data that I can look at. I can see more keywords compared to what I'm just looking at right now. So it's really easy. You could do this multiple ways, but I find the easiest is just to use Looker Studio. And to do this, I have, well, actually not me, but there's access to a customized Looker Studio dashboard created by someone named Hannah Brampton. And basically, this will allow you to, it's super easy. It will allow you to export all of your keyword data, no limit at all. So if you want to access 32,000 keyword data versus only 1,000, this is the way to do it. So this is the Looker Studio dashboard. As you can see, there's a few ways you can use it. You can use it to extract your keywords. You can look for low-hanging fruit keywords. You can look for cannibalization. But in this case, we're just going to be looking to extract or basically overcome that 1K or 1,000 row export limit. And you can see in this case, I have my website or my Google Search Console property connected to this Looker Studio dashboard. So if I come down here, before when I was only limited to 1,000, now I have access to 32,000 keywords that I can look at here. And it's super easy. If you just want to export this, all you do is just come up here to this little more section underneath this tiny little wizard, and then export. And then you could just export this as a CSV. And that's basically it. Yeah. Like I said, you can basically overcome this the 1,000 row limit, and now you have access to 32,000 keywords.